Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business and using QuickBooks Online, understanding how to correctly set up sales tax is crucial. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online so you can stay compliant and make filing a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle provincial, group, and custom tax rates, all in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics, setting up a new sales tax code. Head over to the Taxes menu, then select Manage Sales Tax. From here, click Add Tax. QuickBooks will ask you what type of tax you want to add. You'll see three main options: provincial, group rate, and custom. If you choose provincial, QuickBooks automatically sets up any necessary agencies like PST agencies and includes the most common tax codes for that province or territory. Simply select the province or territory from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind, only provinces you haven't yet set up will appear, which makes things nice and easy. Next, we have the group rate option. This is perfect if you need to combine multiple existing tax codes into a single combo rate. For example, you might use this for meals and entertainment or other combined taxes. QuickBooks makes it simple to group these together without affecting your individual tax codes. Finally, there's custom. This is less common but very useful for industry-specific taxes. Think tobacco, hotel, gasoline, or even sales to U.S. customers. Custom taxes can also be used to mark sales as out of scope if they don't fall under any federal or provincial tax. Remember, custom taxes are set as a percentage, not a dollar amount, and they won't automatically report to government agencies, so use this one carefully. Now let's talk about adding a custom sales tax rate for an existing agency. This is handy if there's a rate change or a special tax situation. Go to Manage Sales Tax, find the agency you want, and select Add Custom Rate. Pro tip: it's better to add a new tax code rather than change an existing one. This way, all rates for that agency stay organized and show correctly on your returns. And that's it. Once you've added your new tax codes, QuickBooks will automatically calculate them on invoices and sales receipts, keeping everything accurate and ready for filing. So there you have it. Setting up sales tax in QuickBooks Online made simple. Now you can confidently manage provincial, group, and custom tax rates without worry. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop any questions in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.